How to fix can't change date of birth on TikTok. So this is a pretty common issue. Unfortunately, you can't just change your date of birth on TikTok directly. You're gonna need to go through it via TikTok support. So just go ahead to your settings and privacy. Scroll down a bit until you find your help center over here. Then just go with the chat with us option. So once you go ahead and ask for a age change and whatnot, they will just give you this option, which is the edit date of birth. So also if you believe that there's an error in your date of birth, of course. So just go ahead and press on the date of birth, and they are going to require age confirmation when necessary. So certain confirmation methods may take longer, but they will notify you of the result in your inbox. So press on that. Just go ahead and choose your actual date of birth and just confirm. So confirm you're born on that year, and it will show you your supposed age. Then just go ahead and press on confirm. Then once that's done, your age should be changed to your actual or new date of birth. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.